not the only one, cause I'm a lonely man. My love for you is strong, could never do you wrong. Together we belong, you are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, one in a million.
Dreaming of you every night, every time I close my eyes. I'm dreaming of you in my life, feeling for you all the time. I'm dreaming of you every night, every time I close my eyes. I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, guys? It's the girl Abby
And Coco here.
and today, guys, we will be doing something special. Today will be our first DIY.
Yeah.
What will we be making?
As you can see, we have soda right, Coca-Cola right here.
So, guys, we're gonna make a Coca-Cola machine. So we just sit and say we need to do some DIY. You know, something fun that both kids and adults can enjoy.
So,
guys,
this is gonna be made out of cardboard and
we already
cut out the stuff, make it a bit smoother.
cut out the things to make it, you know, more easier.
Some-
And we also have the size and everything. I hope you guys can see, but I think we will zoom in on them for you guys. But anyways, guys, no further talking. Let's flick right into the video. So, guys, we will be looking at the form because we don't really know the steps out of our head.
Yeah.
So, let's do it, Capo.
One first thing.
First thing I'm doing. So guys, what we did was to cut off, you know, the head of the bottle, and then put clear tape on here, and then we're gonna push the bendy straw through here.
Yeah, we are gonna glue the cork, glue the then the straw.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna get this art part out of the way.
Alright, I'll be gonna put some glue on the top of the.
Yes guys, kids, do this with adult supervision.
Don't shut at home unless your mama is there.
Or your daddy,
Your big brother
or your sister.
or somebody.
So we're just gonna glue around here.
Oh, and use the gloves because the glue might burn you.
Just be careful.
In your own. So guys, after we finish gluing the tape on the cork,
It was a struggle, guys.
burn.
Yes, so
The next thing,
now we're gonna attach the card, well, the straws to the card. And so this is the.
yes.
Alright, so this is the bottom. This is bottom, and now the bottom is this is across 16.5 centimeter, and down is 25 centimeters. So we're gonna attach the two side pieces, which are 10.5 centimeter across and 25 centimeter down. Likewise for the other side. So now all the cardboard. So we're just gonna glue. So we're gonna glue the 25 centimeter that goes down. Yeah, I'm just hurrying. So guys, we're gonna glue both sides. So place this side here. I'm gonna place this side here. I hope you're seeing. And the glue. Guys, bear in mind it's our first attempt on the DIY soda machine.
So now back to the make out this one.
No. We're gonna attach this to here.
Alright, and then the part that we just mentioned.
So I will be doing the gluing for now on. Well, Kepo, just put that down first. Put that down, Kepo. I'm gonna mash it up. For the steam come out, guys. Be careful when using glue gun. Like it's very dangerous. I'm not used to the slow work.
Sure. Or if I'm with that one.
Wait, I'm good enough.
Yeah, man. One eye.
Guys, don't mess with this without adult supervision. You can't do it by yourself unless you're a professional.
Like you?
So no, I'm not a professional. That's why I'm asking you for help. So guys, what we're gonna do next is to put this on this. Put this. Like when I'm gonna do, I think they do it like this. But first, we will be gluing around here. And Kappa is just on the phone, not helping me.
I try to look on.
Because he's so lost.
I don't know what's going on.
So I know he's a little nervous and all.
Nervous. Right. You sure that way they do? Look, you know.
Now, I'm gonna glue around here.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
So next,
You add the top to it, yes? That's the next step.
we're gonna add the top to it. Kappa, you ready to help me now? Alright. So Kappa is back at you. So guys, how is it looking so far? We are going good though. Yeah. Top to it nice.
Back over, man.
Alright.
What you do?
So we're gonna add this
That
to
look good, man.
guys, we are not the person who didn't show exactly how to add it or whatever. So
I'm gonna put a link in the
we're
description
here.
below. The person who did it.
We're here struggling. So guys, and remember, when doing this you have to use proper cutting tools
I like what she
to
used.
get the neat edges. And like what I did, I used a pen to juke out the shape. Yeah.
How are you? Anyway, it's still now can't fit.
I'm trying, bro.
So far looking good.
Yeah.
You might help first.
Yeah. Both of us. Teamwork makes the dream work. So we're gonna glue this fast cable.
That's my girl. Hi.
So guys, this is just a struggle for us.
But you are a professional gluer.
Eh,
Ah! Tabo me no.
that one here? Can't look at
That's
it.
reaching. Hey, don't play me. Stop the
So right now guys, we're gonna just glue
that section.
yeah, I guess so.
Ready? Wait, let me push my hand through here. Just hold it for you. Wait. Are you good?
No.
Wait, go for it. Go for it.
Careful.
Wait, wait to go to something. Let's change it first.
I'm changing that.
Ah!
Hey! I'm excited. Guys, we even wearing these coats. And we did that. You can already see we already put our labels on it because we didn't want to lose them. Don't mind noise around there, people just working and shit. So now we're just gonna cut off here. Like it's very short in the video we're watching. Okay. Guys, how is it looking so far to you guys? So we're going to add this scarf to here. So show the camera what you mean. Adding the cards in here. Open this.
You sure ready for this?
Open it. Okay.
Oh, God, no.
Open it.
How long is that supposed to be?
And then do it like this. And then they turn the box.
Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Take your time. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm done. Stop! I mean,
hopefully this works, guys.
what's this? Oh, card front. Go over to it, please.
Okay, guys, really works.
If this works, I challenge Aye!
Just let it cool a little bit for you. Yeah. I think so. You wanna drink some juice, bruh?
Oh no. Wait. Wait, hold on, make it stay so. Bomba! Okay guys, so we're not sure what we did wrong, but something is actually wrong. Let's see if we can actually get it to work.
So guys, it's leaking out, so what I'm going to do is place my finger. As you can see, it's leaking out.
I think it worked.
Guys,
Oh, alright, hold on, wait.
just take a picture of a screenshot. I can't believe you should have said it. I can put it on the foot.
One more. Open it.
No, that woman. Let's put the glass there, boom, boom. What a mess. No, I'm not supposed to drink soda. I'm on a diet. Well, guys, I think this was good. Like, you guys, it's a fun little DIY. You guys can do at home.
I think we failed.
We failed. No, we were doing great until it comes out to
The actual part of it, you
Yeah.
guys wanted to see.
Okay. We will be doing more DIYs for you guys. You didn't have to drink the juice, see?
Come again. One more time.
Okay.
Straight over. We're gonna put back everything.
It's leaking.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright, now try open the car.
Try over it. Don't block it. Good. Why would you try to open the car? Like,
What the hell is going on?
guys, we follow every step, but we don't know what's going on.
You know, I feel like this one should put something around and cut it. That short cock right there should have went long or something short.
Yes, guys, stop continue watching. Alright, guys. So, guys, if you enjoyed this little DIY,
Leave a like, leave a comment,
hit the like button and subscribe if you're new and comment how we did, you
and
know.
also comment if you want us to do any other DIY.
Yes, comment which DIY you guys would like us to do and we
We
will
have some in mind,
attempt
but we're
them.
gonna try some one that you guys suggest as well.
Yeah, we will attempt them because this is our first time doing this, you know, so we're not gonna be great. But it was a fun experience. Papa, stop here.
I'll be guys empty.
Alright, guys.
Peace out.